So hi guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa, and of course you're welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to withdraw Naira, that is Nigerian Naira, from your Luno wallet directly to your Nigerian bank account without any hassle. If you notice, this is like a sequel or a continuation of my previous video which I showed you, first of all, how to transfer cryptocurrency from my Binance wallet down to my Luno wallet, and in that case I use XRP. And in that same video, I remember I promised you guys that in continuation I'll be showing you what you should do, how to withdraw Naira from your Luno wallet to your Nigerian bank account. And that's why it's most important if you're living in Nigeria. Of course, I see no reason why you don't have a Luno wallet. It will save you the stress of P2P because you'll be dealing directly with the cryptocurrency exchange or the cryptocurrency wallet and your bank accounts here in Nigeria. So let me show you the step and let's go ahead. So now I'll tap on my Luno wallet. And of course, in case if you want to open a Luno wallet and get a free 2,500 Naira without doing anything by using my referral code, if you go to the link that's the description of this video, I'll be dropping a referral link whereby if you use and you download the Luno app and you register, complete your KYC, if you make a deposit of 5,000 Naira and buy a BTC or whatsoever cryptocurrency, automatically you will get 2,500 Naira free worth of BTC. Of course, if you just use my referral code, which I'll be dropping in the description of this very video. And as you can see, though this like I said, is a continuation of my last video, I shot it almost immediately, and that's why you can see the figures are still there. It just increased actually to 413 Naira, 413,909 Naira. If you notice the last figure that was there, it's the same figure that was there if you watch that last video of mine, which I said I will surely show you how to withdraw Naira. So to show you that it's real, and of course this is my wallet. So as you can see, this is a wallet. So now all we have to do is to navigate to the XRP wallets. Like you already know, is XRP. I made the transfer. And the next thing you have to do is to sell it to Nigerian Naira. Automatically, it's still in XRP, although the figures at the homepage is showing in Naira. That's how Luno works. So now I have to like sell this XRP of mine. You say choose the currency you want to sell for. Like notes before you withdraw your cryptocurrency down to your Nigerian bank account. First of all, you have to convert that cryptocurrency, be it BTC, be it Ethereum, Link, Uniswap, LT, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, whatsoever. There are so many cryptocurrency on Luno, but first of all you have to like convert that cryptocurrency value to Naira. So that's what I want to do. I've chosen XRP, so I will choose the currency you want to sell for. Of course, it's Nigerian Naira. So now it's now asking me how much Ripple do you want to sell. That's how much XRP do I want to sell. Of course, maximum, which is the 103.8. If you watch that last video of mine, you notice that yes, I'm accurate, is still there. So in case you missed that video, you can still swipe back and you watch, you see how to transfer cryptocurrency from one cryptocurrency exchange or cryptocurrency wallet to another. So now I've chosen maximum. I click on next. Sell SRP 103.8 SRP at this range. Of course I'll be getting 391,000. Damn, the fee is quite enormous. It's quite enormous. 2% approximately. Service fee 8,000 Naira. Well, it's quite large. I never knew this how they operate at the moment, but I have no choice. Automatically I'll be losing 8,500 Naira worth of SRP. Oh, that's too much. Let's go back. So guys, I have to pause the video for a while and check if I can use that method, because I want to like see if I will try to minimize this service charge of 8,000 Naira. I wanted to see if I'll convert it first of all to USDT, then sell to Naira, but I noticed that it's the same process. I'll still have to give out this 2% charge fee of 8,000 Naira. So let's still go ahead with the same method, which is converting SRP directly to Naira. So let's see, I will be receiving 392,000 for 392,490 Naira. So let's go ahead. So we'll be ditching out 8,095 Naira. So confirm. So ask for my passkey or my PIN. and it's still processing. So your code timed out. Please try again. Okay. Because of that delay, you see the figure has changed. So now we'll have to work with this current figure. Now let's go ahead and sell with this price. Sell, choose crypto, let's Ripple, then choose currency you want to sell to. Of course, Nigerian Naira. Let's be fast enough and see before it fluctuates. You know, cryptocurrency price is actually going up and down. So next, I receive it has increased. You know, formerly it was 392,000. So let me confirm speedily before it fluctuates once again. Let's see how it goes. You sold, yes, 103.8 SRP, and you'll be receiving 393,644 Naira has been added. So let me go back to my NGN wallet, that's my Nigerian wallet, and see if the money is already there. Then we'll now do or move to the business of the day, which is withdrawing this to my Nigerian bank account. So now let's go navigate to my wallet, and yes, of course, the money is still there. So now we'll now move to my NGN wallet. Now I want to withdraw this amount. So all I have to do is to tap withdraw, bank transfer, of course, withdraw directly to bank. Yes, I've already included my bank there. So maximum, I want to withdraw the whole amount, 393,000. Next, I'm sure some charges fee will be incurred. Yes, just like I predicted, 500 Naira charges fee. So automatically I'll be receiving 393,144 Naira. So all I have to do is to click on confirm. Note, you must have included your bank account in this. So you said we are processing your withdrawal. Your 293,144 Naira, that 3 kobo should be in your current account, blah 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 blah, in one business day. So all I have to do is tap on got it. So until this money leaves this wallet, it will not reflect in my bank account. But let me pause this for a while. So once it reflects, I will show you. But in some cases, it normally happens in a matter of minutes. So it's still there. So once it leaves, it will arrive in my bank account. So I'll have to pause this video. Once it leaves and arrives in my bank account, I will shoot a continuation of the video, because we don't know how long it will take. So there's no need waiting. So I'll come back once it arrives in my bank account. So what's up, guys? I wouldn't have stopped the video, because immediately I stop the video, it arrives. As you can see, there's a notification from my bank, and yes, you have requested a withdrawal. All this at the email notification, it has arrived my bank account even before I could say Jack Robinson. I wouldn't have stopped the video. Let's see. Let's go to let me open the SMS notification, but I have to cover some spots. So as you can see, the bank transfer is complete and it's automatically in my bank account. So in a matter of some minutes, it will leave. Once it refreshes, in some minutes time, it will have to leave this Luno wallet. So automatically is in my bank account. So you can see how easy it is for you to withdraw your Nigerian Naira from your Luno wallet down to your bank account. If you like this video, if you have any question, go to the comment section below. I said the comment section. Don't message me privately. Don't send me an email. Let's read out your comments and we'll attend to them. Speedily write in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that again it's whenever I put up another how-to tutorial videos just like this one. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzago remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.